This has to be the worst hill in the world on a sunny day at 10 AM. Oh my god. Especially next to the slides, when you're trying to get to the slides. But anyway, nice view though. Oh my god. It's so tiring. Holy moly. Yeah, anyway, we're going to do a vlog. I'm just heading to breakfast. Last 2 days I haven't really vlogged because one of them was ill. And yesterday I just didn't vlog. Don't know why, I just didn't. Not really doing much today either, but we'll see what I can vlog. And then tomorrow I'm definitely vlogging because we're going on a jeep/boat ride, which should be really fun. So I'll definitely vlog that as well. But apart from that, and then Wednesday we're all heading home. But it's at night time we're heading home, so daytime we'll try and fit in as much water sliding and everything as we can before we head home on the night. And then that'll be the last vlog. So, not ever, but I know some of you want to do the last vlog ever, but it's not yet. But yeah. Oh, do I hear a Wally trolley? I do. Might have seen in some of the vlogs. I was with the guy. Yeah, anyway, you might have seen in some of the vlogs. I'm on one of them little, I don't know how well I got the video there, but it's a little golf cart that'll take you around the parking if you want to go somewhere, because the park's so big. It takes a good 15 minutes to walk from one side to the other, so it works quite well. But for now, we have breakfast, wherever it is. Nothing in here, Harry, already. It's down here somewhere. Hopefully we've still got something to eat. Boo. They're not your flip-flops. There's so much sun cream on my legs, look like milk. You can't really tell, but they look like milk. Nice view. Can't really beat that. Fun. Nice little boat ride there. I know that was very unexpected in the vlog, but I didn't actually know we were doing it until late, so yeah, it was fun. Just got splashed a bit. Got asked to drive the boat, didn't do that. Decided not to kill myself. Yeah, that was good. This towel's falling off me. Wait for it. Yeah. Get my muscles out. Oh, this is very empty up here. This is the infinity pool thing. Not bad. So that was the end of day, whatever this day was. That's because I'm uploading them all at the same time. I'm putting this clip at the end of each vlog. But go check the other days out. There's day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think there is a 7. But if there's a 7, go watch it. And there's also a full vlog with every vlog included, so you don't have to go over to the next vlog, you can just watch it all. Or you can watch the edited version I've done, which has the song Fireflies in it. It's like 1 minute 30, really small, edited, really nice vlog. I really liked it. It's not even a vlog, it's like just a really nice edited version of the trip from my DSLR. And then there's also another edited version coming, which includes all the vlogs in it, but edited, so it's got music over only the best bits and like only the bits that I needed, and it's got better music. It's just better, okay? So go watch all the vlogs, the edited version, Fireflies version, which isn't available on mobile, only on desktop, and the other edited version, which will be available everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next day, or whatever you're going to watch now.